New price drops and clearance. Yes, lots of price drops at the Home Depot. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can make more to review videos so you guys won't miss out on the latest and greatest deals. Talking about deals, you got a whole bunch of clearance with the Christmas stuff. I'm not gonna go over all of it because we are a tool channel, but here we go. Another tool for the job site, a cooler for $21, and then we got a mower. This is a Murray mower, old school gas, $2.99 down from $3.69. You got a blower here, which 280 CFM. Stay away from these guys, especially if you have a medium to yard, smaller yard or a bigger yard. And then this, yeah, something like this you would need. It's a little bit more power. You got the mower blade. This is a fuel, the Milwaukee mower blade. 136 for that attachment, and then you got blower and string trimmer combo, 219. We got a chainsaw down there, which I did not see. I just catched it on the video, but it is 249 according to what it. Clearance section for the nailers. We got battery, lithium-ion battery, and charger. The charger is 29 down from 68. The battery is 49 down from 93. And then we got another type of battery. Actually, this is a charger for NICD batteries, $19. And then you got an NICD battery there for 49. Not bad deals for clearance items. And then you got a pass load tool cleaner for $5 down from 10. Some more clearance here. Rotating corner brush, $15. You got crown stapler, $3.49 from the DeWalt's 18 gauge. You got impact driver and drill driver XR, a circular saw for $3.19 down from $3.99. Does include those new power stack batteries. Alright, so and then this one's the impact half-inch impact wrench kit from the Ridgets, 18 bolts. That's what it looks like. I believe this one's not brushless. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe it's not brushless. 18 bolts, 1.5 amp hour, 6-pack, 149. You got the 40 volt max XGT coreless grinder, 120. That's a really good deal actually for that one. A 4-piece combo kit, 301. You got this one on clearance, but I did not see a price on it. This is a 25-piece Milwaukee mechanics tool set. You can look that up on the online. And then you got some more clearance here. The circular, the rear handle circular saw, and then you got another power cutter, 80 volts. Some more. That's what it looks like. So there's a whole bunch of yellow, orange, and green. Here's another section here. All HP tools brushless for $270 down from $299. It's actually a pretty good deal. We got this blower kit. Alright, so actually two only for $189. Not necessarily the best deal. You got these plates, mounting plates for the DeWalt Tough System, $23 down from $24.98. And then we got some water heaters on clearance. So these boxes look pretty old, but they are brand new still. So from $11.59 it's down to $8.12. So that's pretty good discount. Got the Color Home bundle. Yeah, for the Christmas holiday deals. This one's down to $15, down from $29, even for just the light strip. That's a pretty good deal. $19.88 for the 225-pound Gorilla ladders step stool. And then $4.49 down from $4.99. 7.2 Comica from Milwaukee M18. These are not brushless tools. That's what it looks like. It's hard to see in the box, but that's what it looks like. And then $3.59 down from $4.49. This is the DeWalt miter saw. I believe it's the 779. DeWalt, and the more DeWalt deals, you buy any of the kits on the top, and you receive a 9 amp hour battery for free. You guys are able to hack these, including that miter saw, guys. You're gonna get a couple bucks off that miter saw. That'll be a dang good deal, especially that table saw, the miter saw. Alright, so $3.99 down from $4.99. This is the 3-tool combo kit. Alright, that's what we're looking at. The circular saw, I believe that's for the holidays. And then this is $6.99 for the miter saw. You guys get a good discount on that one. All right, for $69.97, down from $99. Mobile toolbox, rolling toolbox from Ryobi Link. Personally, do not like these, but you know, there's a lot of you that do. All right, so $970. These are down from, I believe, $12.88 was the price for all these on the clearance on the holiday deals. So this is the Jigsaw blade sets, $970. And then you got the 2-pack circular saw blades and the Diablo spade bits for $15, down from $19. That's a really good deal for this pouch. All right, more deals. $24.97, down from $29.97. The Tough System half organizer. Now this one, I'll show you guys how this one works. This is very interesting what they did with this Tough System built. So this lever in the middle, or this tab in the middle, you pull it up, and then you can pull your half organizers, and then just tap it in there, and to unlatch it or unlock it, just pull with your finger, and you're good to go. Got some good deals for here for the $99, down from $129 for the drawers. These are pretty decent drawers. All right, this is the deal that they got going on with the Tough System. So this is a pretty good investment for your, you pros out there. And then we got another bit set here, 14 piece, $9.97. Pretty good, under $10 for 30 piece. All right, $2.99 for the angled finish nailer, 16 gauge, down from $3.29. And then you still got the Atomics impact driver or draw driver kits. They're on $99. $99 down from $129 for the impact compact vacuum, which this is a really nice. I wish I would have seen this before. I would have bought it. I got the fuel pack out wet and dry vacuum. Do not pay $179, guys. If you guys hack that, whenever there's a hack, it goes down to $130. So do not pay that $179. All right, so $89 down from $119. This is a pretty good deal. Folding workbench. So I believe the holidays was $100. All right, they still got some available. The buy one get one free. So you buy any of the tools on the left, get the corresponding tool for free. A lot of them are sold out. This one is actually a pretty dang good deal. This one's down $100, guys. Plus you're getting the 2 free tools, so that makes it around $200. That is a really good deal. 15 gauge angle finish nailer, $262 down from $349. Definitely jump on this one. This one's fuel. And then you got same thing with these. You buy any of the kits on the left, you get the corresponding tool on the right. A lot of these are already sold out, so keep that in mind when you're buying. Online is the best bet. You got the 4 amp hour battery 2-pack, $69, down from $99. If you want a best deal, then obviously go online or go to this, wait for a deal like this, $99, get a free tool. Those batteries come down to around $50 for both. You got the digital inflator for the house is $19, and for the car is $29. So you get the picture here that everybody wants it for the car. That's why they keep the price. $99 for a 2-pack of batteries. And then one of the best budget for the Pro is this Husky build out system. This is a really, really nice build out system, or build modular storage system for the tools for the professional to keep in the back of your truck or camper, van, whatever. This is very interesting what they did here, but pretty good. The latches feel really, really good, solid. Same thing with this handle, pretty solid. You get the bare bones, but still it works pretty good. You want something a little bit nicer, try this Rigid, the steel on the budget line. This is a little bit more rugged. It does have all the latches, all the components on these. The major components that do all the strength are metal, so keep that in mind for those. And you guys can always find out the price on those online. All right, so here are the new OPE, guys. Yes, these are the new OPE deals that they got going on. They just released this about a week ago. A 5 amp hour, yeah, the spring's around the corner, so they're gonna have all kinds of deals. 5 amp hour battery starter kit here for the blower. That's actually pretty good for 450 CFM. $219 down from $249. You got the chainsaw. It's a 12-inch chainsaw, $249. I believe that's the foldable string trimmer. This is a 14-inch. Yes, it's a 5 amp hour folding string trimmer. That's the place where it folds or unlocks, so you can fold it. And then the price is $219 down from $239 from the kit. Alright, if you guys want a nicer kit with the blower and string trimmer, which I would recommend you guys get, $349. That's actually a pretty good deal. Down from $369. Alright, you got the mower. They're targeting the professionals, but still, it's a lot of money to pull out of your pocket for $1,000 for a mower. $449 for the dual battery. You got the mounting plate there for $29.97. A dual battery charger, and then you got the mower there at the bottom. Alright, a little bit more on the budget side, $329. That's actually not bad for 730 CFM, the Whisper series. So definitely consider the 40 volt jet fan blower. And same thing with the chainsaws, $239. Does include a battery and charger. So, and all these prices are not bad at all, guys. Not bad at all, especially for what you're getting. There's a lot for what you're getting on these. Alright, something to stay away from is these blowers and these string trimmers. These are for really small yards. Kind of like a 4x4 piece of grass. Alright, so we got $139 for this pressure washer. I do have this one personally. This thing's a beast for its size. Definitely jump on this one if it gets down to $99. I'm pretty sure it will. It should. Alright, so this pressure cleaner, or there's not a pressure cleaner. This cleaner is actually pretty good. These accessories are pretty good too for the drills. I get them on Amazon. They are cheaper. That's for the drill. And you got the bigger brush there for the bigger cleaner. That's it for today, guys. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one.